Today, Leo is visiting the airport for the first time. Everything feels exciting, new, and magical. Leo learns many new airport words during his journey. He learns about passports, boarding passes, security checks, and aeroplane mode. But this trip is also emotional. Leo and Daniel are traveling to another city to visit Grandpa because he is sick. Even during a big adventure, family is most important. Did you enjoy learning airport English with Leo? What new airport word did you learn today? See you in the next slow and steady English story.
Dad, are we really going on an airplane today?
Yes, Leo. Our flight is this afternoon.
Yay! I am going on a real plane!
Yes. But remember, we are traveling for an important reason too.
Because of Grandpa?
Yes.
Is Grandpa very sick?
He is not very, very sick, but he is not feeling well. So we are going to visit him.
Will Grandpa be happy to see us?
Very happy.
Can I give him my drawing?
Of course. He will love that.
And can I tell him about the airplane?
Yes. I think Grandpa will enjoy hearing all about your first flight.
I will tell him everything. Dad, this airport is huge!
Welcome, Leo. Today is a very special day. We are going to the airport for the first time.
What is an airport?
An airport is a place where aeroplanes land and take off.
Wow, I love aeroplanes. What is that big board with all the writing?
That big screen is called the departures board.
What does departures mean?
Departures means flights that are leaving from the airport.
Oh, so it shows which planes are going today?
Yes, it shows the flight number, the destination and the time.
What is a destination?
A destination is the place the plane is going to. For example, London, Paris, Dubai.
So our plane is on that board?
Yes. Look carefully, Leo. Our flight is EK 205.
I found our flight, Daddy! Dad, what does that sign say? The one with the arrow.
That sign says check-in. The arrow shows us where to go.
What is check-in?
Check-in is where we give our bags and get our boarding passes.
Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is Gate 7. Have a wonderful flight.
What is a boarding pass?
A boarding pass is like a ticket for the plane.
Oh, a ticket for the sky!
Yes, exactly. Boarding pass is a ticket to flight.
I want to hold my boarding pass.
Be careful with it. Don't lose it.
I will never lose it.
Good afternoon. Can I see your passports, please?
Why does the lady want our passports?
A passport is a very important document. It shows your name, photo, and country.
So she knows I am really Leo.
Yes, exactly.
Hello, here is my passport. My name is Leo. I am 7 years old.
Thank you, Leo. What a good little traveler.
Dad, what is that machine? People are putting bags inside it.
That machine is called an X-ray machine. It is part of the security check.
What is a security check?
The airport checks everyone's bags to keep people safe.
Like what?
They check for dangerous things.
Do they think I have dangerous things?
No, they check everyone.
I only have my toy car and sandwich.
The machine will see that too.
The machine can see my sandwich?
Yes, like a special camera. Leo, put your bag on this belt.
What is this belt?
This moving belt is called a conveyor belt.
Wow, the machine can see inside my bag? Goodbye, bag. See you on the other side.
Now walk through that door frame. That is the metal detector.
Metal detector. What does it detect?
Metal, like keys or coins.
Will the metal detector beep on me?
No,
All clear. You may collect your bags now. Have a safe journey.
Yay! I passed!
well done, Leo. You passed.
Dad, what does that sign mean?
That sign means no trolleys allowed here.
Oh, a cross means no?
Yes, exactly. A red cross usually means no or not allowed.
Then a tick means yes?
Yes, exactly.
I am very good at airport signs. Wow, this lounge is beautiful.
This area is called the departure lounge. People wait here before boarding the plane.
There are shops and restaurants too.
Yes,
Dad, what does duty-free mean?
duty-free shops usually sell things cheaper with less tax.
So cheaper?
Sometimes, yes.
Can I buy chocolate from duty-free?
Maybe later.
Dad, that sign says Gate 7. Boarding.
That means it is time to get on the plane.
Now?
Yes. Come on.
I have my ticket for the sky. Dad, the machine beeped.
That machine reads the barcode on the boarding pass.
What is a barcode?
A barcode is like a secret code with information inside it.
So the lines have secret information inside them? That is so cool! I want a barcode on my forehead.
Now let me help you with your seatbelt. That sign means fasten your seatbelt. That sign shows the emergency exit. The phone sign means mobile phones should be off or on aeroplane mode. Aeroplane mode stops devices from sending signals.
Aeroplane mode on a real aeroplane is funny! Wow! Look at the clouds! Dad, I love flying!
We are going to see Grandpa very soon.
I hope Grandpa gets better soon.
Don't worry, Leo. Grandpa is strong.
Do you think Grandpa will like my drawing?
Of course, he will love that. He will be very happy to see you. Look outside, Leo. We are flying above the clouds.
The sunset looks magical. I feel like we are flying in the sky forever.